Hi, how are you doing? It's Alex, the creator of this channel, and here are my top 5 waterfall scenes. Not many people know, but a video of a waterfall was the first one I've ever uploaded to this channel. In the 5th place, we have this video from Canada because it captures the grand scale of the waterfall and the gorge below. Fourth place video shows you the sheer power of water that's about to drop down with a mighty roar. In third place, we have this great scene, with blue sky and mighty waterfall in the mountains. In second place, we have the Lauterbrunnen waterfall in Switzerland. Honestly, I'm just left speechless looking at this view. And in the first place, we have this amazing shot taken in Iceland that follows a narrow waterfall all the way to the top. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you a happy and a peaceful day, and I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, please consider subscribing and join the flow.